Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can change the Vicidial default user name actually. So like if we log in over here, so as you can see, this is the default ID that Vicidial normally have. So if you go to the user and if you freshly install the Vicidial, so you will see that this is the by default ID. So now how we can rename it, because if we go over here, like you can't just rename this username from here. So how can we do that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to show you how we can do that. So my system IP is 192.168.1.5. So let me open the command prompt, or you can use putty also if you like. We are going to log into the root. So SSH, then the IP address of the server, then hit enter. Now it's asking for the password. Okay, so once we have entered the password, now we are inside of the Vicidial. Okay, so from here, what are we going to do? We are going to, okay, so type MySQL. Once you are inside of the MySQL, then type use asterisk, then hit enter. So you are asking the MariaDB to choose the asterisk database. So as you can see, it's saying that database changed. So we are inside of the asterisk database now. So over here, what we have to do, we have to rename that user from here, because if you click over here, it will not let you to change that username. Okay, so we have to do it from here. So we have to select now, like as you can see, the asterisk database is now selected. So now we have to type update Vicidial, then users, and set, then user. I'm going to rename that user with my name. So I'm going to type now. We have to mention the user that we are going to rename with. So I'm going to type uh, okay, so this is the command. Now we are going to this, then hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying that query okay, and row affected, and row matches 1, changes 1. Okay, 0 warning. So now over here, let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, once I refresh that page, now it's asking me to relog in because the username is also relogin. So I have to type this now and then hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, the 666 user is now renamed. So you can use that command. Okay, you can use this command to rename your by default 666 user. It's very helpful if you're using your server outside of your office. Then the by default user, it's actually not safe, because this is the 666 digit. It's contain each and every dialer. This is the by default admin. So changing or renaming it, it makes more sense. So if you find this video any helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.